Hey, this is Wayne here, and we're going to be looking at how to rekey an American padlock. This is the 5360 series. You can see right back here, 5360 series. And first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to have the keys, or you're going to need to pick the lock, because you're going to have to get the shackle open. If you have the keys, which is ideal, the lock comes open, and you can remove the key. Down directly in here is a Phillips head screw that can come out. That releases that bolt right there, and the anti-drill plate comes off, and the cylinder comes directly out. There's nothing else to worry about in there, so don't worry about it. You will then need the key again, or to have the lock picked as you had it before, and you'll rotate it all the way down like so. You'll see the pins right in here. You can dump the pins out. Like so. And then insert your new key that you want it rekeyed to, and go ahead and key it. Now you will notice that these pins have serrations on them, so that's something that's only for American lock. A master lock pinning kit, the pins will fit diameter-wise, but you will not have that. You will lose that added security feature of those serrated pins, because the master lock pinning kit does not have that. It only comes with top pins that are serrated. Small inconvenience, not really that big of a deal. It does aid in lockpick resistance and bumping resistance to some degree. I'm just going to pin this one back up the same, but if you had different, to master key it or something, you'd be able to put your master pins in, and you'd be able to put your key pins in right now. Go ahead and dump all these in here. You do not need to pull the entire cylinder out, which does make it kind of nice, because then you don't have to have a follower and keep the top pins and springs from coming down. Stuff that down there. You can master key these as well, just like master lock. You can do the same thing. So that makes it convenient if you've got a customer that's got a larger need for multiple tiers of security. That can be accommodated with this. And pop that back in there. Oh, I forgot. If the back comes out, if you pull the key out, I kind of made a mistake and pulled the key out. Then the top pins sit in to the keyway. Definitely something that can happen in the field. So we'll just go ahead and try and address it as best we can here. Let's see. So I will take a small pick, and I will go ahead and insert it here and push those top pins up, allowing my key to come back in. That was where we made the mistake. Pulling that key out. For some reason, one more to go. Oop. That's okay, we can put those back where they belong. So that's something you got to keep in mind. Do not pull the key out while you are rekeying, because then what happened, exactly what happened, is the top pins then fell into this, that gap right there where the bottom of the key would be. So now, once we've got that taken care of, You can go ahead and turn this thing over. Get that shoved all the way down in there. Oops, I must have misplaced those two. Damn it. And so even things don't go smoothly for me all the time even. And there you have it. Now that's been rekeyed. That shows you one of the most common problems you can have with that and how to fix it. And we'll go ahead and match that half moon up with the half moon in here. This is the half moon, half moon. Go ahead and shove that down in there. Kick it over to the side because that's gonna create enough room for your pin to go back in there. Put your anti-drill plate back on. Insert pin. Screw with some Loctite on it. And tighten. And there you have it. We have successfully taken apart, and if we had a different key, rekeyed our American padlock. For more information, check out the website in the description box below. Thanks for watching.